Welcome, guys. Tired of your 9 to 5 job and longing for the freedom of escaping the daily grind and making a living online? This video is the ticket to unlocking the secret of online income generation. So stay tuned. Let's get started. First step to building an online income stream is identifying your passion and skills. What excites you? What are you really good at? Discovering these aspects is the basis of your online business. This can be anything that involves your talent, such as graphic design, writing, programming, teaching, or a unique hobby that you are passionate about. Once you identify your passion, the next step is to monetize it. Fortunately, the digital world offers a variety of ways to make money online. Consider freelancing in your field, considering affiliate marketing programs, selling your products and services, or even creating and selling digital courses. Take your time to explore these diverse options and find the one that best suits your skills and interests. Building a strong online presence is important. Create a professional website or blog to showcase your experts. Share valuable content and attract potential customers. Use social media platforms to engage with your target audience and build a strong online community around your niche. Never underestimate the power of content creation. Continually create valuable content, whether it is writing informative article, writing engaging videos, hosting a podcast, or sharing insightful posts on social media. That is important. Not only will help you it will also help you establish authority in your field, but it will also attract and hold your audience attention. Finally, continuously learning and development is extremely important in the ever-evolving online world. Stay informed about these latest industry trends, technological advancements, and changes in consumer behavior. Adjust your strategy accordingly to stay ahead of the curve and stay relevant in your field. Remember that making money online is not an overnight success story, but a journey that requires dedication, patience, and constant adaptation. Pave your way to successful online income by identifying your passion, taking advantage of various monetization opportunities, building a strong online presence, creating valuable content, and remaining adaptable can do. So, if you have, thanks for watching this video on how to generate income online. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and tricks. Good luck on your online making.